If you're trying to decide between Suno and Studio AI for music creation, here's the quick verdict after testing both. Suno is easily the better choice if you want to generate complete songs from simple text prompts. You type in an idea, choose a style, and within minutes, Suno creates vocals, lyrics, instruments, and a full track. It's incredibly fast, beginner-friendly, and honestly one of the most impressive AI music tools available right now. Studio AI takes a different approach. Instead of generating complete songs from scratch, it focuses more on AI vocals. You can import MIDI files, edit vocal performances, change voices, and fine-tune details with much more control. It's designed for producers and musicians who already have a workflow and want realistic AI singers. So, which one wins? For most people, it's Suno. The speed, simplicity, and quality make it the easiest way to create music with AI. But if your goal is professional vocal production and deep editing capabilities, Studio AI is the stronger tool. Bottom line, Suno wins for overall creativity and ease of use, while Studio AI wins for vocal control and production flexibility.